Hey people, I'm a little quiet because it's nighttime and playing with my black slime. Sorry, there's an ad. Playing with my black slime. I made it today. I used black face mask from China. I think you know. And well, I added Tide. I use borax usually. Some people say it's not good for your hands and it affects you. So today I tried something new, which was Tide. It makes slime super liquidy, but it doesn't tear, and it does stain the container a lot. The reason it's super stretchy and stuff, I only made a little bit because I didn't want to waste a lot, but it still is a lot. The problem is it's just a little, it's teensy hard. It does bulk though. It's super glossy. If you can see, glossy. There's this sink behind me. I'm gonna ask water because Ishy Jumbo drips made it a lot softer. Feels the same, just a little bit stickier. Yeah, I'm gonna play in the room. So, con chơi ở ngoài đây để nó khỏi giờ. Yeah.
Có đồ lót thì ngồi lót thôi, có gì đâu vậy?
Cái này con không có xài nữa. So I'm there.
Có nhiêu đó thôi hả?
Yeah. Tại không có kệ con muốn làm nhiều.
Đúng rồi, chơi nhiêu đó thôi. Nó lót là vậy ở đâu chứ?
So
Cái trang này để bên cái giỏ mà sao?
Just it's okay. Wait, guys.
Với lại cái chìa khóa rút ra luôn nè. Đây là chìa khóa đây nè. Cảm ơn.
Sorry to move it while it's because I just have to help my mom. So, Allah, I wish you could see him. Just try to tilt the camera a little bit.
Ủa làm màu gì mà đen thì luôn chứ cực chó này. Sao rồi? Thiệt chứ còn vẫn
con làm màu hồng á, mà cái viết á, con accident á, con xài màu đen. So this is how it is. I wanted it to be pink. No, màu hồng rồi then á, con accident tại có hai cái viết chung với nhau á, con tưởng cái màu xanh là màu đen á, tại con không có nhìn á, con chỉ lấy một cái kỳ con chỉ để vô.
Màu hồng mà sao nó ra đen thì lùi cái này.
Tại con có màu hồng với màu đen rồi con accident lấy cái màu đen. So if you want to know how this blackness happened, it's because I was making black. You know those 2 point tips? There's like a pink side
Ủa
and
con cái máy hình đâu rồi?
other side. Ở trên này. Đây có giữa.
Ở đó cũng được, bỏ đâu cũng được. Bỏ trên đạn thì cũng được. Ở đó đây.
I want to make pink slime, like in the other tip. I just didn't see, took a random side and start dipping it in the slime, and that's how it became black. It's super strong, so if I add another color, it wouldn't even help. This is the slime. It rips. So it's super stretchy, if you could see. At the same time, it's not, because sometimes it's stretchy and sometimes it's just hard. Which most of the time it's mostly just hard. But I just play it slowly. I don't really like rush. I pokes good. It's sort of like putty, but I never seen black putty, so it's not putty. This is slime. I just like really don't really like the shape of this color, but all the other things, yeah, I like it. The only thing I don't like about this is probably it's because it's hardish, which I need to add a lot of water in here. But all I know is that my favorite is it's glossy. To me, it's glossy. It does that thing well. I'm gonna be right back with water, so. I just added like a ton of water. I'm kneading right now. I couldn't bring the camera and knead it inside the washroom. It sort of disgusting because like you're in the washroom and like you see a toilet and stuff. Is she disgusting? So I didn't bring you guys as well. It's clear. I did use clear glue. Just kidding. Yeah, I used clear glue. Well, I didn't. I used it. Oh, my mom's using the machine. It is. I don't like. This is pet peeve slime already. So I'm gonna do a pet peeve slime with you. So yeah. The people who only pokes with one finger. Sorry about the background, like names, dads and moms, and like kids, and so to me. So the one poker. The stretchy butter slime, even though it's not butter slime. The one who just rolls it and pokes it. The one who zooms it in and says, "Oh my gosh, guys, this is the giant slime I ever have," and then pokes it and then zooms it out. It's so small. So that's how much I'm playing with right now. The person who flips the camera over and doesn't even play with it, just rolls it around their hands. So I'm not gonna play with this for like 20 minutes. Like, I'm not gonna poke it or anything. And after the video, they start playing with it. But the violent player. So nice. It's super clear. Nice. So this is the slime. It's nice. So I'm gonna be right back with more water. I didn't knead it yet. If you could see, it's super shimmery. So the more water I add, I guess the more shimmery it is. But it just has the same texture. I mean, it stretches well, still rips like it is, but it's an okay slime. I mean, I did it today, so I guess it's okay. This video is super long, so sorry guys if it's ishy. So what if pretend I was playing with a big batch of slime and I was poking it. So pretend you heard like me poking. Imagine I'm poking it like a lot, like pretend I had like a lot of slime, And then when they do the bubble, people comment, why are your bubbles so small? And you're going to say, oh, because I have a small slime. And people have been thinking you had a big slime. And like, no, that's just my friend from the other corner. Play with more. But they're not even playing. So, bye guys. I'm just going to play with more and watch me do. Peace.